Welcome to Civil Engineering Squad. In this video, you will learn about one of the common tests of concrete. That is popularly known as slump test. Don't skip if you really want to learn. The concrete slump test is used for the measurement of a property of fresh concrete. The test is an empirical test that measures the workability of fresh concrete. More specifically, it measures concrete consistency between batches. The test is popular due to the simplicity of apparatus used in simple procedure. Now we will see the principles of slump test. The slump test result is a measure of the behavior of a compacted inverted cone of concrete under the action of gravity. It measures the consistency or the wetness of concrete, which then gives an idea about the workability condition of concrete mix. Now let's see the apparatus required for it. Concrete slump test equipment. Slump test requires some equipment to perform the test. One can easily find these test kits set in the market. The test equipment must comply with the standards mentioned above. The equipment mainly used for slump test are followings. Number 1, mold. Shape of the mold is a frustum of a cone. The cone is known as slump cone or Abrams cone. Slump cone is made of steel, plastic, etc. Its height is 12 inches, 30 centimeters. The diameter of the base opening is 8 inches, 20 centimeters, and the top opening is 4 inches, 10 centimeters. Number 2, base plate. Base plate may be made of aluminum, polymer, steel, etc. It may be equipped with a holding attachment. Number 3, tamping rod. Tamping rod used in the slump test is made of steel. Tamping rod is usually 24 inches long and has a diameter of 5/8 of an inch diameter. Tamping rod used in the slump test is made of steel. Tamping rod is usually 24 inches long and has a diameter of 5/8 of an inch diameter. Number 4, measuring scale or tape. Standard tape or scale should be used for measurement. Now let's learn the procedure of concrete slump test. Step by step. Step 1. Firstly, the internal surface of the mold is cleaned carefully. Oil can be applied on the surface. Step 2. The mold is then placed on a base plate. The base plate should be clean, smooth, horizontal and non-porous. Step 3. The mold is filled with fresh concrete in 3 layers. Each layer is tamped 25 times with a steel rod. The diameter of this steel rod is 5/8 inch. The rod is rounded at the ends. The tamping should be done uniformly. Step 4. After filling the mold, excess concrete should be removed and the surface should be leveled. When the mold is filled with fresh concrete, the base of the mold is held firmly by handles. Step 5. Then the mold is lifted gently in the vertical direction and then unsupported concrete will slump. The decrease in height at the center point is measured to nearest 5 mm or 0.25 inch and it is known as slump. Now let's see what are the cautions required during concrete slump test. To get the proper result, some cautions must be taken during the test. Following are the list of major caution that can be maintained. 1. Inside of the mold and base should be moistened before every test. It is necessary to reduce surface friction. 2. Prior to lifting mold, the area around the base of the cone should be cleaned from concrete which may be dropped accidentally. 3. The mold and base plate should be non-porous. 4. This test should be performed in a place free of vibration or shocks. 5. The concrete sample should be very fresh, the delay must be avoided and the test should be done just after mixing. Let's learn measurement of workability from the slump test. If shear slump or collapse slump occurs, the test should be repeated. We can get the result from the only true slump. We can classify the result within some ranges according to the slump value. Very low workability, slump value 0 to 25 mm or 0 to 1 inch. Low workability, slump value 25 to 50 mm or 1 to 2 inch. Medium workability, slump value 50 to 100 mm or 2 to 4 inch. High workability, slump value 100 to 175 mm or 4 to 7 inch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.